The modern battlefield is littered with explosive ordnance. Project Ground Area Reconnaissance and Assurance, Project GARA, is an Army-led project. We've been partnering with Dstl for the last 3 to 4 years to understand how to find, identify and neutralise explosive ordnance. What this project is here to do is to see from the trial that the equipment developed by Dstl will allow them to conduct their mission faster and will remove the people from the hazard of the in-place explosive ordnance.
So one of the things that's been brought to this trial is the ability for the drone to be sent over autonomously or flown by a pilot. So it's highlighting using artificial intelligence where an item of ordnance is and attempting to identify. That could then be used by other specialist teams to relay the information to us, perhaps even before we've got there, which means that we arrive prepared in time to deal with that. So what the technology allows me to do is to perform these procedures for rendering explosive articles from a point of safety, rather than me having to make multiple manual approaches myself to place charges and things of that nature.
So Dstl is recognising that the future of EOD and search is going to be involving new technologies such as UAS and autonomy and artificial intelligence. So we're trying to enhance that capability and make sure that the users have this equipment available at their disposal in the near future. In practice, that works by being able to take away some of the simpler tasks of the operator and only relying on them for the specialist tasks where they need to have their expertise input in.
So the equipment that you're seeing here in this trial, we could give to a user tonight for them to use. But at the same time, we're also looking to understand where the capability will grow as other technologies mature. So for example, when other types of sensors become lighter, require less power and smaller so they can fit onto smaller uncrewed aerial systems, then we will incorporate them into the system. And this is another project that gives us an opportunity to seize that technology and put it into the hands of our bomb disposal community.